If your house is anything like mine, there's always a device that needs to be charged: phone, tablet, earbuds, even a diffuser or vacuum. So, this wall charger has been a lifesaver. It has 5 AC outlets with extra wide spacing, so even those bulky plugs that never fit side by side, no problem here. Plus, it gives you 4 USB ports, including a USB C, so no more fighting over chargers. What I really like is how it flushes sits against the wall once it's screwed in. It's secure, doesn't shift or pull out when unplugging something, and just looks neat and clean in the space. And it's not just convenient, it's safe too. It comes with built in surge protection, which gives me a peace of mind with all the devices we have constantly plugged in. Whether it's in the kitchen, your office corner, or next to your bed, this thing handles it all. It gives you that flexibility to charge multiple devices without clutter or cords everywhere. Definitely a smart little upgrade that's made a big difference in our home, and I love how easy it was to install.